1099s. What are they and why do we need them? In the world of business, there's more to financial transactions than meets the eye. Whether you're a business owner, a contractor, or simply navigating the realm of payments, understanding a 1099 form is essential. Let's start with an example. Bob Plumber comes to your office and uses his tools to fix a leaky faucet. You pay Bob $600 for the work he performed, which is recorded as an expense to your business. Since Bob is an independent contractor, not an employee, you may be required to give Bob a 1099. A 1099 is an information return required by the IRS. It's used to report different types of income that aren't reported on other forms, such as a W-2. Individuals or non-incorporated businesses that are paid more than $600 during the calendar year should receive 1099s. There are two types of 1099s to help separate work or services income from other types of income. A 1099 NEC is used to report work or services income. A 1099 MISC is used to report items such as rent, royalties, prizes, etc. To file a 1099, you'll need the recipient's name, business name, mailing address, and their taxpayer identification number. The best way to get this information is by having the vendor complete a W-9 form before making payments. When it comes to repair work, you only need to report the labor portion on the 1099. The filing deadline for 1099 forms is January 31st of the following year. So if you paid Bob this year, the 1099 must be sent to both Bob and the IRS by January 31st of next year. If you're having your 1099s prepared by a service like Beard Harris, they'll take care of filing with the IRS, mailing copies to the vendor, and providing you with copies. Be aware that there are penalties for late filing, starting at $50 per form and as high as $580 for intentionally failing to file. Exceptions may apply. Also, if you're in a state with a state tax filing requirement, you'll need to send a copy of the 1099 to your state tax agency. Credit card companies and payment applications like Venmo report payments for you directly to the IRS using a different type of 1099. If you still have questions or are unsure about how it works, don't worry. Our accounting services team is here to help and ready to answer your questions. That's a wrap on 1099s. The what, why, and how. Remember, staying compliant with tax regulations is crucial, and the 1099 is a key tool to help you do just that.